Dear students, today's topic is basal metabolic rate. Basal metabolic rate is the amount of calories required to keep your body functioning at rest. The release of energy in this state is sufficient only for the functioning of the vital organs such as heart, lungs, brain, and the rest of the nervous system, liver, kidneys, sex organs, muscles, and skin. BMR decreases with age and with the loss of lean body mass. Increasing muscle mass increases BMR. The body uses calories in three ways. First one is to sustain body functions like breathing, heart rate, waste removal, cell growth, and repair. All this accounts 75% of the calories. Second one is for physical activity. Third one is for digestion and absorption of food. Typically, about 70% of our total energy needs come from resting metabolism, but this varies greatly depending on our activity level. Another 15% come from non-exercise activity thermogenesis. 10% come from thermic effect of food, and another 5% come from exercise activity thermogenesis. Men tend to have a higher metabolism than women. Most men have a BMR of about 1600 to 1800 kilocalorie a day. Most women have a BMR of 1550 kilocalories a day, but this is variable. BMR is measured under very restricted circumstances when a person is awake. An accurate BMR measurement requires that the person's sympathetic nervous system not be stimulated, a condition which requires complete rest. BMR may be measured by gas analysis through either direct or indirect calorimetry, though a rough estimation can be acquired through an equation using age, sex, height, and weight. The Harris-Benedict equation is often used to estimate basal metabolic rate. BMR is determined by a combination of genetic and environmental factors as follows. Genetics. Some families have faster BMR than others. Gender. The basal metabolic rate averages 5 to 10% lower in women than in men. This is largely because women generally possess more body fat and less muscle mass than men of similar sex. Age. BMR reduces by age. After 20 years, it decreases 2% per decade. Weight. Metabolic rate increases as weight increases. Body surface area. Metabolic rate increases as surface area increases. Body fat percentage. Fat tissue has a lower metabolic activity than muscle tissue. Diet starvation or serious calorie reduction can dramatically reduce BMR. Body temperature and health. Fever, illness or injury may increase BMR. External temperature. People living in tropical climate have BMR up to 20% higher than that of those living in non-tropical regions. Also, cold weather increases BMR because of shivering. Thyroxine. the key hormone released by the thyroid gland, has a significant effect upon metabolic rate. Exercise. Any physical activity increases BMR. Exercise increases muscle mass and powers up your metabolic engines, burning calories at a faster rate, even when at rest. Stress. Stress may reduce BMR by increasing the stress hormone, cortisol. Malnutrition. Malnutrition lowers the BMR.